It is June 21st, 2019, and we are about to head out for a camping trip. And so it's the longest day of the year, and it should be warm out here, but it's not overly cold yet. But it is. What's it doing out here, hun?
It's raining.
It's raining. And we're going up to the mountains.
We are.
We're going high.
Going that
way high.
And then up. And then roundy.
Yes.
And then Becky.
Yes.
And then campy.
Yes. And it could be SE.
Yes, it could snow.
It could snow.
First day of summer, by the way.
First day of summer. So we are on our way. We're not taking the kayak because I don't think a high of 53 is going to make me want to get out of the water.
No.
Yay.
See you soon.
Always before we pull out, we do a light check. You have to find your own routine. Ours is right before we pull out. So I wave at John the direction that it's open, that it's on, and then we make sure that the driving lights are on, and we're ready to pull out. Quick check to make sure doors are locked. Secure. Hatches are closed and locked. Jack stand is up, which is a mistake we don't want to make again. All the connections are made. Emergency brake. The electrical, which we know is working. Anti-sway. Weight distribution. All looks good. Puppy's in the back seat. Husband in the front seat. Ready to go. So we made it.
We did make it.
Welcome to Baby Doe Campground by Turquoise Lake. Look, blue skies. Just for the moment. Gorgeous. Maybe 60 degrees out. So pretty, and it smells so heavenly up here. Trey, what do you think about camping? Good morning from Baby Doe Campground on Turquoise Lake outside of Leadville, Colorado. We are at 9,570 feet, and it's been a weekend of cold. Needless to say, we have not had many campfires. Actually, we haven't had any campfires. It is not so bad right now. I would say it's probably 45 degrees, but obviously it's snowing. So we're leaving early. It's only about 9:30, but we have a 13,000 foot pass to get over, and it's time to go home. So just need to put in the door handle, lock her up, and pull on out. It's been fun, but gotta go. I reach for the summit,